Hello, young lords, viewers, students. I am going to talk about some commonly misused words in English. There are many words which are commonly misused. They are not used properly. Here, I am discussing some words which are not used appropriately, which are not used in the correct connotation. These words are as follows. Number one, hear versus listen. Hear means to perceive through ears something naturally, effortlessly. This is what hear connotates. This is what hear means. Listen means to pay attention to something with effort, with a lot of effort. So there is a difference between the use of hear and listen. Hear should not be used in place of listen, and listen should not be used in place of hear. Let me clarify it with some examples. Here, I hear his story. I heard his tale. I hear him or her every day. Here is also used in different context. The judge is hearing the case, or the judge finished the hearing of the case. Now let me see the use of listen. Please listen to my video. Please listen to my lecture. Please listen to this music. Please listen to the music of the birds in the morning. So, this is how hear and listen should be used. Now I take another commonly misused words. See, watch and look. See means to perceive anything naturally with eyes. In seeing, there is no deliberate effort. But watch means to see anything for a period of time on a smaller screen or a bigger screen. Similarly, look means to see anything very closely, to see anything very attentively. So all these words have different connotations. See, watch and look. Let me clarify it with examples. I see her in the market daily. He sees me daily. He sees this scene every day. watch. Please watch my video every day. I watch a movie on the small and large screen. Watch is also used as noun. He wears a watch on his wrist. She wears a watch on her wrist. Wear means one who guards something. Please watch my suitcase for a while. Look means to see anything with effort, to see anything attentively, carefully. Please look at this picture. Please look at her. Please look at her photo. They are very common usage of look. Now, let me another pair of words, keep and put. These words are also commonly misused. To keep means to place something, a material, something which is not in solid. This is keep. To put means to place anything, any solid thing, any commodity, any article, any material thing. So there is a difference between keep and put. Now let me clarify the use of keep and put with following examples. Please keep the secret to this success to yourself. Please keep this feeling to yourself. Please keep anger to yourself. Don't be angry with others. Now, let us see the use of put. Please put the book on the table. Please put the pen on the table. Please put my mobile on the table. Next is learned and learned. They are also commonly misused. Learned is past participle form and past tense and past participle form of learn. It means it is V2 and V3 of learn, and it is used as a verb. But learned is also V3 of the word of the verb learn. But learned is generally used as adjective. Now let us see the example. I learned this thing from the book. She learned this thing from him. Let us learn this thing. Learn it. He is a learned professor of English. She is a learned professor of economics. He is a learned professor of physics. To conclude, these words are generally misused, commonly misused. Dear learners, viewers, you should use all these words, keeping in view the connotation of these words, keeping in view the relevance of these words. You know, A word in English has many synonyms, but all the synonyms have different connotation. One should use words keeping in view the right connotation, the correct connotation. Thanks. Thanks.